Now, 9 months ago, Karnataka announced a semiconductor park that existed, well, mostly on paper. But today, the state has put an actual date on when it opens. Well, before we get into the details, we need to put an actual date as to when we can cross 500,000 subscription mark. Yeah, and you can assist us with that by liking, sharing and subscribing. Truly motivates us. Thank you so much for your kind support. And now, Karnataka's Industries Minister M.B. Patil confirmed the 200-acre semiconductor park at KWIN City near Bengaluru, which will become operational in December. Yes, this is the same project first announced at last year's Bengaluru Tech Summit. Now, 9 months later, it has now a firm timeline. Now, of course, some context on where this park actually is. KWIN stands for Knowledge, Wellbeing and Innovation City, a larger 5,000-acre development project, of which this 200-acre semiconductor park is one dedicated piece. Now, Patil described the park as designed to be fully equipped with all infrastructure required by semiconductor companies, meant to function as a major innovation hub for chip manufacturing, packaging, testing, and electronics production. Now, at both the state and national level, this park isn't launching into an empty pipeline. Now, over the past 2 years, Karnataka has approved investments worth 23,000 crore rupees in the semiconductor and electronics system design and manufacturing sector itself. Now, that's the capital base this park is meant to give a physical home to. Once operational, it's expected to attract global chip makers, create skilled jobs, and strengthen Bengaluru's position as India's technology capital. Now, here's of course the theme which is running alongside this announcement. Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar has been urging global industry heads to partner with the state, repeating a consistent message, which is that development needs to reach every part of Karnataka, not just concentrate in Bengaluru alone. Now, that's the same logic behind Karnataka's earlier push to seed new industrial hubs in Tier 2 cities alongside cheaper land for companies willing to expand beyond the capital. Now for the macro view. Karnataka's FDI has surged 95% this year, the fastest of any major state. The state has announced India's first government-run AI university, and now the KWIN City Semiconductor Park, which has finally got a December opening date. Now, every piece of Karnataka's tech ambition is converging on the same timeline. The funding, policy, talent, and now physical infrastructure all coming together in the same year. And here, of course, coming together for you is the front page take. Now, we believe Karnataka is turning a tech summit announcement into an actual operational deadline. A 200-acre park, a December date, and 23,000 crore rupees already committed behind it, backing it up. Now, the question I have for you is this. Will KWIN City's semiconductor park actually open on schedule this December? Or does Karnataka's ambitious tech park pipeline still face the execution risk that slowed similar projects elsewhere in India? Please do let us know what are your thoughts in the comments below. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the IIM Network. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.